Lizzo is coming to Detroit tomorrow, and guess who's going to freaking see her? I'm just high right now. I'm high off of vibes. High off of vibes. So excited. I've never been to a concert before. I was gonna get my concert virginity in a sense to Riri, Miss Rihanna, but times is ticking, and Lizzo, I just love her music. It makes me so happy. It makes me want to dance, and it really like caters to my younger self. I can't say no to younger Erin, so I bought tickets and I'm going tomorrow, and you guys gonna come get ready with me and all that stuff. I am so freaking excited. I've been home since 2020. CEOs and dancing like I'm gonna need like 2 shots in my cup. Pump me up. Like I said, the concert is tomorrow, and today it's more like prep work. I got 3 things to do today. Have to rewash my hair because I don't know if you guys can see it. Can you see all these flakes? Can you see it? I don't know if you can see all these flakes. Let me go to the bathroom. Do you see it now? Look at all these flakes, all this whiteness. Ew, it's pissing me off. It's really rare for my hair to like make me mad and it's pissing me off. All these flakes is just a hell no. I need to rewash my hair. Come on camera, focus on me, because I don't want to be shaking my head around and then I got flakes falling on other people's bodies all over my body. Like, no, I can't have that. So that's number 1. I gotta rewash my hair. Probably gonna end up doing a twist out. Secondly, I need to find an outfit, because if I try to find an outfit tomorrow, I'm gonna be a little bit too stressed. I need to find an outfit today. And the third thing is I need to calm down my anxiety, because I am anxious as heck. I've not slept well in the past 2 days because I'm just like, okay, I'm nervous. It's gonna be a lot of people, number 1. Number 2, I want to make sure I like know the words, so I gotta like look up the lyrics again. If anybody told you today you're special, buying a ticket was stressful enough because, okay, my inner Capricorn came out and also the anxiety came out. I had to do a lot of research, so I'm like, okay, these tickets are pretty cheap, but what's a pit? I don't know what a pit is. I'm like, okay, the pit is like the front of the stage, so like you like standing up. I'm like, I can't stand up for too long, and like what if I'm in a bad spot? I'm short and I'm gonna be so mad if somebody tall gets in front of me, and like what if she calls me onto the stage because you're like, you right there. So like what if she like says, hey, come up here, and you's like, I'm gonna start stuttering, you know? And so like, okay, I'm gonna sit in the front row. I was ready to throw some money down for younger Erin. So I'm like, okay, I'll sit in the front row. You get a little chair and you still close enough. And I was like, I started watching so many first time going to concert vlogs. I told you I did my research. I started watching like Lizzo's show and I think Tampa and New York, just to get a little visuals but not spoil it for myself. And I was like looking to see in the vlogs like where people were sitting at. I looked up so many articles that said the front row. If it's your first time going to a concert, you might not want to be in the front row because again, it's loud, I'm short, yada yada yada. And so I picked a seat because you know the seats are like elevated.
So I'm just like, okay, if I sit close enough by an elevator so I can see down, because I'm short, so I can see down in front of me, and it'll be all good and I can sit down when I want to.
So I'm praying that I got some good seats. I don't know. I spent a couple hundreds. Like younger Erin could not afford this. Let's just be honest. Younger Erin cannot afford this, but Erin today, adult Erin, I got you. I can afford this. So I'm just so excited. And oh my gosh, I almost forgot. Latto is opening for Lizzo, and I love Latto so much. Latto is more so for the adult Erin, you know? It's giving never ever treat me like I'm average. I got so much on my mind. I'm gonna go wash my hair and I'm gonna keep you guys updated, so yeah. Good morning vlog. It is Lizzo day, and did I sleep? No, I did not sleep. I'm meeting with a friend for brunch today before the concert, and it's really early in the morning, and I thought I have no time to go to Starbucks, but I just checked to see how far the brunch place is, and it's kind of far. I'm gonna drive past the Starbucks and see how long the line is. The line is too long. I'm gonna turn around and go get ready for brunch later. I'm meeting up with a friend from college who I have not seen in like 6 years or something like that. Undergrad college. This was an old roommate. Just fingers crossed the Starbucks line is not too long, because I really do want Starbucks today. I am exhausted. If I don't get Starbucks, I'm gonna have to take a nap. Let's go, Free, let's go. Ooh, dang. That's twice. Wow.
lap later.
When you forget you're vlogging. Okay. Okay. Do a spin. I'm trying to keep my hands steady. I can't.
Hey, damn. When you gonna stop playing? Bad chick, I could be a fantasy. I can tell you got big energy. It ain't too many of them that can handle me. But I might let you try it off the Hennessy. Make them sing to this thing like a melody. And if your girl ain't right, I got the remedy. It ain't too many of them that can handle me. Bad chick, I could be a fantasy. Tell me how you want it. 2 1 and I'm on it. Feel good, don't it? Good chick, you ain't a bunny. I'ma bust it on the pole like honest. I'm just being honest. Lucy, Minnie Mae, but can't do it 1 minute, man. Not a side or a main. I'm the only one he entertain. Spinning his mind in the bank. I like what I see. Boss like you need a boss like. I need sunshine on me. Sunshine on me. So we gon' shake it up and shake it fast. Make that camera flash, bitch. Tired of the bullshit. Gone, dust your shoulders off. Keep it moving, yes, Lord. Trying to get some new shit in there. Swimwear, going to the pool shit. Come now, come dry your eyes. You know you a star, you can touch the sky. I know that it's hard, but you have to try. If you need advice, let me simplify. If he don't love you anymore. That's fake boots, So how often I let you know, in case nobody told you that you're special. Just ain't worth squeezing, just don't look like it. Please don't let me ever take your bitch.
The concert was so much fun and my voice keeps going away. And Lizzo made me feel so special. And she started crying, and I started crying, and everybody just started crying. And I just had so much fun. My hair was down, of course. You see the makeup before I go wash my face. Had my necklaces on, you know, 444 Capricorn chain. I got the shirt from Walmart, and I do have shorts on. And I did have a skirt. I had some knee-high boots, and it was really cute. I had my black nails. So I'm sorry guys, my voice is like gone. I'm like so tired. I just feel so like fulfilled and like happy and just all these other emotions that a first concert would give you. I'm just like, I'm overwhelmed, but like in a good way, as in it's gonna take me a few days to process this. But Lizzo was basically like, you're beautiful, you're unique, you're special, you're everything. And saying how much it is important to her that she got to perform in Detroit, like where she, like that's home for her. So that sounds, it was just so special for her to perform where she's from and, you know, to say what up doe and stuff like that. And to see her family in the audience. She turned on the audience lights and she like pointed out people and like their outfits and say, I can see you guys. I can see each and every one of you guys. And it just felt so great. She was tossing out like roses and signing shirts, like Yitty merch, and like Latto was tossing out money. Like I part of me kind of wish I would have like stood in the pit area because she taught like a band or something. It was like a stack of money. Let me find out it's Monopoly money, but it was money nonetheless. So Latto did really good. I felt kind of bad. I didn't know a lot of her songs as I thought I did. She did sing, you know, the popular songs like Big Energy, It's Giving, and Sunshine, but those like my main three that I really know. The other songs, it's like I've heard them before, but I don't know the words, so I felt kind of bad. But I was like grooving, I was dancing, you know. Had a bunch of people around us saying, like to me and my friend, like y'all are a vibe, y'all are cool. I love you guys' energies and like all this other stuff, but it was amazing. People had like a lot of sparkle outfits on. Lizzo's outfit changes were, loved it. She was funny. She was very interactive. Like she didn't like, her and Lau didn't come just like perform and leave. They like talked to the audience and like had little competitions. You know, the left side was scream and the right side was scream and see who could scream the loudest. Like things like that. I like interactive performers. So first concert, first of many, and I'm rambling, so I'm just gonna end this video here. I had a very, very good day today. I went bowling, I had brunch, and I got to see Lizzo in person, and it's just, wow. And I ended off the night just like pretty happy. Like my voice keeps going in and out. I don't know if you guys can hear it, so that's why I'm not like talking that loud. So I'm just gonna turn this volume up on this video. But this is how the makeup looks. It looks really good to me. Like, ooh, she's a makeup girl. I'm trying to think about, is there anything else I want to mention? I'm pretty sure by the time this vlog comes out, the tour might be over. But it was a very special tour. Ironically, the special tour, it was very special. And like, it's nice to have somebody remind you that anything that they can do, you can also do. And like, you know, don't quit on your dreams and all this other stuff, because the world is changing. Like, you can become rich by tomorrow. Like, it's just crazy to me. So that's the motivation I needed to, you know, keep posting YouTube videos, keep posting on my Instagram, my TikToks, and keep writing and doing all this creative stuff. And hopefully it pays off in the end. So I'm excited about that. I'm gonna keep grinding and posting. You know what you should do? You should subscribe. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, a like, comment down below, subscribe, comment down below your favorite Lizzo song, because you have to have at least one. And she was playing Whitney Houston. We were singing along. I was just like, girl, ooh, not the Whitney. But anyway, I'm excited for the Whitney Houston movie. But anyway, I need to end this video because I need to wash my face and lay down. I'm just high right now. I'm high off of vibes. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.